Hi, I'm Tom Glaser, author of Full Heart Living, and one of the things I discovered right off the bat is that happier people take really good care of their bodies. They move their bodies with joy and they feed it really nutritious things. So I'm sharing some of my favorite recipes that I use on an everyday basis. Here's one I hope you enjoy. This is one of my favorite ways to start the day. Actually, I start the morning with meditation, then I do some exercise, and then I have breakfast. I always start the day with a bowl of oatmeal. Then I go into a smoothie. So here is my latest go-to morning smoothie. Starts out with about 8 or 10 ounces of the milk of your choice. These days I'm really liking unsweetened plain soy milk. And I call this peanut butter cup smoothie. So I'm adding a generous heaping tablespoon of almond butter. You can use peanut butter, but I actually prefer it with almond butter, even though I'm a huge peanut butter fan. And then the protein of your choice. So this is a vegan protein powder. Although again, lately I've been experimenting with just adding tofu to my smoothies, and it works really well. And this is just a tiny quarter teaspoon of organic vanilla extract. I add a heaping tablespoon, or a little bit less, of chia seed, and then about 2 teaspoons of flax, and a level tablespoon of cocoa powder. And then recently I discovered this superfood, Maca, M-A-C-A. It has a ton of protein, and it's a good amount of fiber and a ton of other nutrients as well. I do like a little bit of sweetness. So again, the sweetener of your choice. Lately I've been using stevia, but a lot of people like honey, of course, or agave syrup. This is about a dropper full of the liquid stevia, although you could use the powder as well. Finally, frozen chopped spinach in place of ice. So I'm getting a vegetable, and it still gives it that temperature that most people love with smoothies. And that's it. Just mix her up. This takes about a minute on my blender. I'm telling you, this is a great way to start the day. Cheers! Here's to smoothies.